Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix file being saved as JFIF back to JPG in Windows 11 or Windows 10 by the very simplest way. First of all, just go to the Anywhere browser, go to your image, right click on your image and save image as, and this image is saved in .jfif and we want to save it in .jpg. So cancel it, we are going to solve this. Okay, and just go to the start, type registry editor, just click on registry editor at here, just type registry editor, click on registry editor, click on yes. Here I will give a address in a YouTube description. This is the address. Just copy this address from computer to JPG and paste it at here. Okay, and hit enter. This is redirect you to this image/jpg folder. Okay, here we find one file extension. It is the most important. Okay, double click on it. In value we find JFIF. This is our problem. We just change it to JPG and click on the OK. Click on the OK and just close it and just close our browser and restart our browser. Go to our image again. Just right click on our image, save image as, and this time it is saving in .jpg. So by this simplest way, we are solve this simplest problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.